Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today I'm going to talk about IOTA, and I'll be forecasting its price from June of 2023 till January 2024. And I'll be presenting three scenarios for its forecast. The first scenario, that is the one that you're seeing on the chart, is the base case scenario for IOTA, which is actually the MIOTA token for the IOTA blockchain, and the second one is the bullish case scenario for the same crypto, and the third one is the recession based scenario for this for IOTA. So and this is a monthly average price based on data since November of 2017 till May of 2023, and none of this is financial advice. So just let's get started. And this is data science exercise and use of AI technique, which is autoregressive integrated moving average, which stands for ARIMA. And I have used this monthly average price to forecast the data till January 2024, as I mentioned earlier. And on top of the historical data, I have color coded this chart using a Z score metric, which stands for how far is the price at any month for any month in terms of its average price for the entire time series from 2017 till 2023, and how far is it in terms of standard deviation. So luckily for IOTA token, both standard deviation and the average price for the time series is about 70 cents. So when in December of 2017, when the price at the monthly average was around $3.80, the z-score was 4.4. And by that I mean, because 70 cents, if you remove 70 cents from $3.80, it's about $3. The price was $3 away from its average. And if you calculate $3 in terms of 70 cents, if you divide $3 by 70 cents, you would get almost if you, a score of 4.3. That's how this standard the z-score was calculated. And coming to the why this z-score matters is this z-score is used to plot the color code for this chart. So when the z-score is positive and with a higher magnitude, the color tends to go from neutral of white to deep darker red, as and when the magnitude of the z-score increases. Similarly, when over here, when the z-score was around like 0, very close to 0, the color associated was almost white. And during its last bear market low in March of 2020, the price was around 16 cents, and in terms of z-score it was negative 76.76, and the color associated with it was dark green. So where are we right now? So based on the z-score for the month of May of 2023, the price is around 18 cents, and the z-score is, so as I was saying, for the month of May, the monthly average price was around 18 cents, and the z-score was negative 73.73. And if you have been following the altcoin forecast series that I have conducted on this channel, you would notice that IOTA is also one of the several altcoins which has a negative z-score right now, and it's the range for most of them is between negative 0.50 to negative 0.85. So IOTA is right in the middle of that range. So and you can do like a comparative analysis of your favorite altcoin lies or is on the range compared to other z-scores for other altcoins. So that's some exercise that you would, I imagine you would find fascinating. So with all of this in mind, let's go to the forecast. And this is not financial advice, this is just use of historical data for plotting the forecast for June of 2023. The monthly average price is around 17 cents, which is almost 1.5 cent lower from the past month, which is month of May. For July, the model has forecasted a price of 16.5 cents. For August, it's 15.8 cents. For September, it's 15.3 cents. For October, it's almost 15 cents. For November, it's 14.5 cents. So the trajectory from now till November, the AI has forecasted the trajectory to be lower, and at each steps the loss in the market, the price is around 50 cents. Sorry, not 50 cents, almost half of a cent. And in terms of where we are from now till November of 2023, the total value destroyed is almost 4.5 cents. And in terms of percent, it would be around 40%. For since November, the trajectory forecasted by AI is kind of bullish. So in December of 2023, the model has forecasted a average monthly price of around 15.5 cents, and in January the forecasted price is around 16.75, so 16.75 cents. That's the range. So the range is almost, for the base forecast is 17.5 cents to the lower point is around 14.5 cents. So this is the base case scenario for IOTA, and this is the output straight away from the AI model. What I have done on top of that is the second scenario, which is a bullish case scenario for forecast for AI. So this assumes that the market has a favorable outlook for risk assets, and in that scenario, what could be a theoretical ceiling for the IOTA's cryptos token MIOTA? So this is the ceiling, and I know this sounds way too bullish, but this assumes that on top of the base case forecast there is a multiplier which stands for one standard deviation to the upside, as well as a comparable z-score of using past cycle as a input. So for month of June, the average monthly forecast is around 42 cents. We are ways off that, but it's just that in case of a rally, what could be a theoretical ceiling? So for July, the monthly average forecast is around 37.5 cents. For August, it's 34.5 cents. For September, it's almost 34 cents. That's October. For September, it's 34 cents almost, and for October again 34 cents. For November is 32.5 cents. For December is 31.5 cents, and for January it's 34 cents. So that's the trajectory. You would find a kind of similar trajectory, but the decline from June lasts till December in this case, and slight rally in January is what is forecasted by this bullish case, which is like a theoretical ceiling for IOTA based on historical data. And the last scenario that I would like to share is what could happen to IOTA if we encounter a recession between now and January of 2024. And this particular model assumes that we get a recession right away. So if we do not get a recession in this quarter, and let's say if we get one in third or fourth quarter of this year, the timelines for this forecast would be shifted by a couple of months. But nonetheless, this forecast would help us determine what could be a theoretical floor for the IOTA's crypto in case we get a recession. So let's consider June as month 1. Rather than calling it as June, we'll call month 1. In the first month of recession, what this model has forecasted as a price action for IOTA at a monthly level is around 11 cents. For the second month, again 11 cents. For the third month, yet again 11 cents. So for the first 3 months of recession, around the average price is around 11 cents. For the fourth month, it's 10.75 cents. For the fifth month, it is little over 10 cents. For the sixth month, it's slightly lower than 10 cents, 9.75 cents. For the seventh month, it is around 11.5 cents, and for the eighth month, it is 12.5 cents. So these are all the forecasts pertaining to IOTA. I like to cover what could happen to a crypto in a base case scenario without any macroeconomic shift in trend. Also one which is a bullish case scenario, which is assuming that there is a macroeconomic favorable tendency, and the third one is recession, which is opposite of a bullish scenario. So I like to continue with this methodology to cover all the bases pertaining to a crypto. If you like this content, please do give us a like or subscribe to our channel, and I'll check out other videos that I've made on this channel too. Especially if you have a favorite crypto or an altcoin in mind, I do check them out. I believe you would enjoy watching what future holds for them in a theoretical AI based forecast. So stay tuned for updates on this channel related to as the um, crypto industry matures, and the forecasts um, tend to tend to have a different bias uh, based on the macroeconomic outlook for crypto as well. So that would be great for you to follow along. So till then, I wish you a good day and hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.